Type your text. Right-click on the text and select Create Outlines. Select the Polar Grid tool. Double-click on it to adjust the settings. Copy these settings. Make sure it covers the entire text. Use the selection tool to select everything. Open the Pathfinder. First select Divide. Then select Trim. Right-click on the text and select Ungroup. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Transform. Make the horizontal and vertical scale 85%. Move it both 10 pixels. And select Random. And that's how you create this broken glass effect.